Have you ever wanted a beautiful salon-style bun without spending a lot of money? In today's video, I'll show you how to make this gorgeous bun. It's beginner-friendly, affordable, and takes only a few minutes to create. Let's get started. Here are the things you'll need. 1 pack of braiding hair, donut bun maker, expandable hair clip like this, hair ties, and bobby pins. Everything is affordable and easy to find. First, divide the wig into 2 equal parts. Tie each section tightly on its own, just like this. Make sure it's secure. The first half is done, and make the second half the same. Both have to tie like this. Stretch the donut bun maker first. This will make it easier to use later. Now, sew the donut bun maker and the expandable hair clip together, just like this. Make sure you only sew the side with the teeth. Leave the locking part unsewn. Now, flip the donut bun maker over to the other side. Then sew one of the wig pieces we prepared earlier onto it, just like this. Next, sew the second wig piece across the first one in a crisscross pattern, just like this. Next, wrap it with hair ties like this until you reach the expandable hair clip. Don't wrap beyond the clip. Now distribute the hair all over the donut bun maker like this. Trust the process. It should look like this. Add another hair tie to make it more secure. Now separate this hair into 3 parts. Braid each section separately, just like this. After braiding, tie the bottom part in order to unbraid by itself. As you can see, do the first 2 braids exactly as I showed you. The third one is just a regular braid. Cross the 2 matching braids over each other and secure them with bobby pins. Don't forget to hide the ending parts like this. Cover the expandable hair clip completely with the third normal braid, which keeps the hairstyle natural and realistic. You can stop here if you don't want any decorative pearl pins. It's optional, but I choose doing it because I want with decorative pearl pins. What did you think of the video? If you liked it, smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And enjoy the result!
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be some way